Agnoshin Technologies.
Agnoshin Technologies.
Agnoshin Technologies.
Agnoshin is a mission, it's just not another company.
Agnoshin is an equal opportunity employer.
We are a technology agnostic company focusing on platform, protocol, and device independent solution in the customer experience management ecosystem.
We focus on providing comprehensive and customizable solution in customer experience management.
We are strategically placed with extensive expertise and thought leadership in customer relationship management, with a mission to improve customer satisfaction rating and increase productivity and organizational revenues.
Our solutions are offered across a wide range of verticals such as banking and finance, telecommunication, business process outsourcing, transportation, retail and hospitality.
We are into cloud computing. Cloud computing brings an improved customer experience that increases brand engagement and awareness, builds trust and authority, boosts customer satisfaction at all points of contact.
Continues to introduce disruptive solutions with a focus on customer experience, security, and artificial intelligence.
Build universally relevant technologies of accommodation.
Nurture an unswerving commitments for novel ideas, entrepreneurial experiments, and business model.
Facilitate fuller human potential and resourcefulness.
Agnoshin offers business solution based on customer analyzing and prioritizing business needs.
We constantly strive to be abreast with the latest technologies and ready for the challenges in recent descriptive technologies enhancement in the industry.
Service excellence.
Delivery expertise.
Delivering flawless customer experience is a critical challenge that enterprise contact center face in this digital age. With customers progressively becoming digitally savvy, they are finding it strenuous to keep up with the advancement in technologies while managing people and processes.
A strong development team analyze and access your business goals, business requirements, and platform support, and provide services that augment your business strategies.
Agnoshin is the global leader in providing application and product consulting services that fosters enterprise to provide exceedingly great returns on ROI.
Be ready to learn. Fix your goal.
Do your best. Be kind to everyone. Work hard. Ask question.
Never give up.
Try new things.
Customer driven.
Reliable.
Technology agnostic.
Social responsible.
Fearless innovation.
You are all new opposed peer.
No care, no share.
Time to serve everyone.